I made the ground stars out of an old dog cage. I cut the cage using bolt cutters. I used tubing to bend the fence material. I bent the fencing material to approximately 90 degrees. Also, make sure that you bend toward the weld. I will leave a parts list in the description. This is a 3/4 inch nylon strap that I'm attaching the ground stars to. I spaced the ground stars by 6 inches on the nylon strap. These are 2-inch PVC pipe test caps. This is a 2-inch PVC pipe 40 schedule painted black. This is the back test cap that I glued directly to the PVC pipe. I tied a knot into it, but you could tie a release knot so you could basically keep the PVC pipe. This is the front cap, and I had to add some tape so that the plug would stay in place. This is the front of the container. This is the rear of the container. All you have to do is pull the front plug and sling the pipe